Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Sony. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and then we should connect these headphones. Now, if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. Put your headphones to the charging case. Right here we have not connected, cool, remove it from the charging case. Cool, it connects again with the phone. Now, if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these headphones. So, put it to the charging case, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that press and hold this connectional button at the back side, until this LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go, click on it at the device list. And we also did it. But if this method didn't help you also, we should make a hard reset. So I recommend it to remove the headphones, click the information icon or settings icon, forget the device, forget device. Now, press and hold this connectional button until this LED light starts flashing red. Here we go. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that, press and hold connectional button until this LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go. Click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!